What is going on, guys? Welcome in this new video on how to buy the ELA Elastos token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, you simply can create one by clicking on the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step you can log into your account and then you will arrive at this home page. After that, we will click on the search bar and just type in ELA. And there you can see the Elastos token. For now, we will go to that page and click on it. And here you will arrive at the token page. For the next step, we will need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we want to use for this purchase. Let's say 1000 euros. And we will get 548 coins for this amount of fiat currency we are using. After that, we will click on review order. And now you will see the order review. And we are paying a amount of 38 euros of transaction fees. That's quite a lot. If you want to save yourself this amount of transaction fee every time you buy crypto, you can simply use the Coinbase One subscription. And it is free for 7 days at the moment, so definitely try that out because you will save yourself the transaction fee on this order. For the next step, if you would like to buy these coins, we will just click on buy now and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!